Hi guys, here we are at Pinhoe Station Level Crossing in Devon with UK level crossings and more. So the time now is 17:29 on Tuesday the 17th of November 2020. And this is for your... And this is for your 17:33 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Exeter St David's. And also for your 17:35 South Western Railway service from from Exeter St David's to London Waterloo. As you can see, I am filming this in the dark, and the floodlights here are giving this bit a ton of glare right now. Yes, the third time me filming this crossing at Pinhoe, my lenses on this camera are just as bad, if not worse. Sorry about that, guys. I don't see the Exeter St David's one yet, or the London Waterloo one. I'm not going to judge which one will come first, because I don't know. Yeah, this crossing hasn't changed since the last time I've been here. We came down here last week and we couldn't get it because my phone died when I was halfway through filming. That's because my phone. That's because the battery life was low on it. But this time, fingers crossed, it should get on YouTube this time. Doing well so far. Yeah, I think these barriers are shorter than the top option barriers because these ones have only got 4 red stripes, whereas the top option ones had 5, and also all 4 of these have 2 red lights on them, and all 4 of the top option ones had 3 red lights on them. I can hear Anne over there saying that there's a train going to London Waterloo. Yep, still no trains in sight. Oh yeah, and this crossing's got 5 wigwags. This here always reminds me of Topsham, because Topsham is the total opposite to this crossing with the wigwag set up. So there's 3 on their own, and then those 2 are together, and that always reminds me of Topsham. Well, this over here reminds me of Topsham. Here's the Exeter St David's one coming now. Hopefully we can get the number on it. It's coming at quite a speed. I didn't catch a number at the front, unfortunately, so at the back we've got 15004 at the back, but I didn't catch a number at the front. Oh yeah, 15882 was at the front. Roger got it, but I didn't. Well done, Roger. I don't see the London Waterloo one. Yeah, the Exeter St David's one's just there. floodlights are quite bright, as you can see. It's giving this a lot of glare. It's not the camera on my brother's iPhone 6S ain't liking it, as you can see. Same on the wigwags. And the exit St David's. Oh, there's the London Waterloo one now. Yeah, I think these have both got 6 coaches. Both these trains have got 6 coaches. Literally everyone that lives in Pinhoe is so lucky to have this crossing where they live. I know someone that lives near this crossing, and he's very lucky to have this crossing where he lives. Very lucky. I reckon when they upgrade this crossing again, I reckon they should put pedestrian lights on it, just like Eggersford. That'd be so cool. Just departing now. Yep. 159 105.